Hello to my future employer. My name is Aileen Espinola, 41 years old, single, no kids, and I'm presently residing here in Santa Maria, Bulacan, Philippines. I have finished my 2 years course in computer science. I have worked as a domestic helper in China for more than 6 years with a family of 4, a single father with 3 children, ages 9 years old, 4 years old, and 18 months old. My job descriptions are in charge of the 3 kids, supervise children overnight, help children with school homework and projects, prepared healthy meals and snacks. When the kids are in school, I do laundry, ironing, go to market, grocery, and cleaning the house. I would describe myself as dedicated, hardworking, and trustworthy. Thank you and have a nice day.